is up, everyone? So as you can see, there's a mess in this garage once again. So before it gets worse, I'm gonna tidy it up. This has to go in the attic for next summer. I already took the fall stuff so we can decorate. Look, it just looks disgusting in here. We gotta fix this. Okay, it is hot outside and I'm gonna make agua de pepino. It's gonna hit the spot. I'm gonna wash my hands first.
My mom gave.
I was gonna tell you that. I never seen that dog before.
It's gorgeous.
Hubby's cleaning my car, y'all. He's almost done. And then I just have one side of the garage. Feels so good outside. I want fresca. You know the vibes. Feels so good to have a nap on a maca. Can you hear my voice? How deep it is? I'm getting sick, y'all. Come on, sit down.
The pet peeve is the windows, glass windows. I'm not sure you're taking care of.
What is it exactly you're talking about?
The glass windows should come.
Oh yeah, you gotta see.
I know.
Clear vision, 2020.
30-30. Is it still on?
Yeah.
Oh, it's turned off.
Why?
Because
current update. I still have to fold that one. I still have to sweep this up before it keeps coming back in. And I'm thinking of washing my carpet. It's been months now, but I have to feed the kids. So we're gonna take a break. So right now we have this. Still looks really bad. But I am so scared to use a power washer here because the walls, no, I can't risk it. Well, hello everyone. So today is actually Friday. Tomorrow is Saturday. It's been a week, I know, and the carpet's still outside, okay? Let's move on. As you can see, well, you can't see, let me show you. Right here, the setup ready to start decorating for fall. Are you excited? I'm excited. Are you excited? I'm excited. There is like so much laundry to do that I don't want to think about it. If we don't think about it, we don't gotta do it yet. Hold the door for me, Teddy. Ah. I feel like I have more decor, but I don't remember. I'll probably remember it here soon. Here's the stuff. Same as the last year's and the last year before the last year, you know, but my collection is definitely growing. I know this video was supposed to be up on Friday. Hello, today's Friday. If you don't, you know, you're not subscribing, you don't have your bell on, then you didn't know the post I posted, which was, I had COVID, so yeah, I still don't have my taste back. So, I'm negative now. I'm negative, so there's definitely some cleaning that I want to do, but I want to make this whole vibe like very cozy, very like music, you know what I'm saying? So before we start the music, because you know, copyright issues, I'm gonna make me a tea, and we're gonna head over there to see what tea am I craving. I'm becoming a tea type of girl because the espresso shots are kind of expensive, you know? So this is my Jamaica hibiscus tea. Okay, lemon ginger is like the best one. I think this is it. I also have pomegranate raspberry green tea. I like to use that with my boba tea and chamomile tea. So this also needs water, girl. Look at my little cilantro. I am most definitely missing some pieces because I had more than this, but that is a perfect excuse to get more. Am I right, ladies? Am I right? I don't know where to put this one. Let me see. Let me think. Oh, I think it can go cute a little bit with the green. Like right here. Let's see. I don't think the plant's gonna like it though. Let me see. Yeah, no. Okay, so this is how this looks outside. It's very creative, very cutesy, very demure. I need to stop. This was supposed to be a sunflower, but I forgot to water it twice and the heat just killed it. So it just looks with the theme of, you know, pumpkin season. And then this, because it just matches, Hazel put it there. So I'm gonna just let her express herself. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you thumbs up and I'll see you and catch you on my next one. Bye.